Hello guys, today we will discuss question number 138. Question is, which of the following ion exhibits DD transition and paramagnetism as well? So here the options are: first MnO4 2 minus, second MnO4 minus, third Cr2O7 2 minus, and fourth CrO4 2 minus. Here the correct option is MnO4 2 minus, because only MnO4 2 minus has an unpaired electron, let us denote it by N, equal to 1. Therefore, and how we can find the unpaired electron? It's by seeing the particular ion that is given to us. So in particular case of MnO4 2 minus, taking the first case, it has plus 6 oxidation with the outer electronic configuration. So it has a plus 6 O N plus 6. So hence it has a configuration of 3D1, because Mn generally has an it's 6 7 3D7, so it would be now 3D1, and so it's one, so it has only one unpaired electron that are un that are unpaired. Because for the second case, MnO4 minus, it has an plus 7 oxidation, so it's Mn plus 7, and its configuration is 3D0. So it has a 0 unpaired electron. Okay, so it's a diamagnetic. Similarly, for third, we're taking CrO7 2 minus. It has plus 6 oxidation, that is Cr plus 6. It has a configuration of 3D0, because Cr, it has 6 in the D octet, and therefore D transition is not possible in this, and say first, second and third. It is only possible in the first, because it is a paramagnetic. So its 3D0 has a 0 unpaired, and similarly for fourth, CrO4 2 minus, it has again a oxidation of plus 6, and it is therefore configuration is 0. As it is 0, so there is no DD transition possible. Hence, it has a 0 unpaired, and it's a diamagnetic. So the only option where DD configuration is possible, DD transition is possible, and also it